after directing your dad and then Kochadiya, was this easier or was that easier?
It's well.
Okay, now I really want to know the answer to that
Are you
question.
talking about the actor or the film?
Yeah.
Actor and the film both.
Okay,
we both want to know what happened. Yes, be very diplomatic.
Yes, ma'am. No, film-wise, it's two completely different technologies. That's a performance capture animation film, and this is a live-action film. But I think it's been such an amazing, it's a blessing that I got to direct my father in my first film, and to be working with family again, and to do a live-action film with an actor like Tanush. I think that's been an amazing experience, and I think process-wise it's different, but being directors is the same. The responsibility is still the same.
But who's tougher to deal with, dad or brother-in-law?
I'll answer.
No,
Me
no, I'll tell you.
only. Me only. No, she'll try to be diplomatic. I'll answer.
No. The truth
Me
is,
only.
he's my best friend. So there are certain times when I can approach him after it's cut and say, you know what, Lisa, can we do this differently? But maybe with dad, it was tougher directing that.
What's your explanation? See?
No, I was tougher. I'll be honest about it. I mean, like she very beautifully puts it sometimes.
See, he's also the writer. You have to forget.
Yeah.
He's written it also. So there were, he was on multiple fronts. She had to deal with him.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah,
Producer, writer, actor, lyricist, all of it.
My lord. So it must have, when she was directing it, was the director and you also coming out saying like maybe I should like...
Not at all, but the writer was
Fighting for his
yeah,
rights.
like
Couldn't give the script up
sometimes
only. He was like...
the writer would say, this should be like this, and the director will say, I'm the captain of the ship, and the writer will shut up and go. So this happens a lot.
And the actor and director?
Actor and the director are fine, absolutely fine. The director always listens to the director and does what she wants. So that's fine.
And then you come on board after 2 decades. I remember,
I had lots of suggestions for myself. I was probably the most difficult person to deal with.
And did they lie to you to get you into the project?
God,
That
you need to clear this, ma'am.
She keeps lying like that, but it's okay.
I keep lying.
Yeah.
They did lie to me, but the point is
What
that
was the lie?
It was a lie that had a good repercussion.
Okay,
Let me
good.
put it that
Oh,
way.
wow.
Yeah.
So what was the lie? How did they convince you?
Basically, they came to me and they told me, we want you to please do this film, ma'am. We really want to do this film. And I was like, you can come and narrate to me. I'm still not doing a film in another language. That ain't happening. But they were like, no, just listen to the script, So I heard the script and I really liked it. I said, it's great, but it's in Tamil. So they were like, no, we would really like you to at least try it because 50% of your dialogues are in English. I was like, really? He's like, yeah, 50% of your dialogues are in English. And in the rest, what did he say? Even if you speak in Chinese, it won't matter.
Japanese.
Japanese, it won't matter. So I was like, अरे वाह, एक हाथ पे तो मुझे जापानीज तो आती नहीं है, वैसे बता दूं, लेकिन इंग्लिश तो आती है थोड़ी बहुत, तो बोल ही लेती हूँ, कर ही लेती हूँ. So that's how we started the film, and of course on my first day I got this huge big sheet with lovely big dialogues in Tamil written. I was like, where's the English? Where's the English? There are like 3 words of English.
There was English.
Kajol,
Yes.
Kajol, Vasundhara, that's the English in it. But yeah.
We said 50-50, just change it slightly to 70-30. That's all. Okay. But then I called her one day before the shoot and I told her, ma'am, you can still talk in Chinese, the offer stands. I mean, rest you can say ABCD also. And she said, no, I'll try and I'll do it.
That's the
And she's done an amazing
coming out.
No,
I was
jokes
about
apart,
to say that, ma'am, next. Wait for the compliment, no?
No,
I built it up so
there's
nicely.
one more compliment
Let
coming
the
from
director
here.
say, yeah.
Okay, wait, so this chair is moving too much.
Jokes apart, I think, madam, she's spoken Tamil so with all the emotion you'll expect from a Tamil star. And if you watch the film, you'll understand. Yes, I think
Yeah,
she's done
perfect.
an amazing job, and it's very difficult to emote in a language that you actually don't really get word by word.
Absolutely.
But she has spoken perfectly precise words, because when we were dubbing, it was amazing how well she spoken Tamil. And
But I
you'll
have to
see
tell
it.
you, I have to tell you something, okay? So, I finished this film, whatever. Yesterday, I was watching a Tamil film and I understood what I was seeing.
That is
on screen.
amazing.
And I was in shock.
Next film.
I got
Next film
it.
you're roping her in. ma'am.
Yes,
Of course.
VIP part 3, she's still there.
yes, ma'am.
That I don't know.
By script, on book, she is there actually. But it's completely up to ma'am.
So what was it like? 2
We'll discuss the
brilliant
dialogue, please.
actors together. It could be quite a chore for the director. So it's a challenge when you've got 2 brilliant people in the same frame. And then she plays the antagonist. Did you enjoy being like
You mean to say 2 thinking people in the same frame? Okay, two thinking people. Yeah, answer the question.
No, I think.
There's a lot of ego clashes, by the way. She's very tough apparently. This
No,
Huge. I
she's-
threw a bottle at him once.
No, that was a part of the scene. She had to throw a bottle at him. She had to throw a phone at him.
I
she
threw
had
a
to.
phone at him,
Yes.
I threw a bottle at him.
You guys
I
are
threw a
revealing way
rubber.
too much.
Okay, let's not do it about the plot, but what was it like?
You know, just as real.
That was off screen.
That's off screen. Okay.
What did she throw off screen?
A pad.
Why?
Because
That
there
was
are too
in
many
real
Tamil lines.